Guys, it's super insane. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It actually works, guys, and it is super cool.
Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Star Wars Galaxy Heroes modded version for your device. So this works on iOS and Android. So what it will do, guys, is give you unlimited crystals. So I'm going to turn this on right here. And let's see if the crystals go up. So as you can see, these are our current amounts, which are really poor. But hopefully, guys, with this Star Wars Galaxy Heroes mod, we will now be seeing unlimited stuff pour into our account. So let's see if it works, guys, or not. So I don't see anything happening to my Star Wars Galaxy Heroes account at the moment. So I'm oh, it's working. So I'm going to show you how to download this Star Wars Galaxy Heroes modded version with unlimited crystals for iPhone and Android. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's really easy. All you have to do is go ahead and go on tweakmod.com. So in this site, guys, type in Galaxy, I think. Here it is, so press install. And there you go, guys, the Galaxy Heroes mod has started downloading. So before it downloads, we are going to do verifications. This is the last step. What you got to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official App Store, and this will install the Star Wars Galaxy Heroes mod into your phone. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up here. As you can see, there is little symbols there, so you know it works on both iOS and Android, which is awesome because a lot of people only have an iPhone or they only have an Android. So let's see if this works now. All right, so it is loading up. So we are going to be down and dirty with our Star Wars Galaxy Heroes. So now we have to do the verifications. The last step, you got to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So like Family Island says reach level 10 to game, so I could do that. I could do Travel Town, which says reach level 9. Underdog Fantasy, downrun for 30 seconds. There's tons of them. There's even a video. So that's how I get Star Wars Galaxy Heroes hack for your device. 2025 proved. So peace out, guys. That's how I get Star Wars Galaxy Heroes mod. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to have a Star Wars Galaxy Heroes mod on your phone. So yeah, peace out, bro.